Hey everyone, welcome to Miss Hashmi English और आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे AI के थ्रू अपनी English. So I have a call Annie, let's do it. Look, there are many avatars. You can talk with anyone. So many characters. So I'm going to talk with Annie. It's a default Annie. Hi, my name is Ariba and I want to practice with you English. So are you ready?
Hi, Oriba. Absolutely, I'm ready to practice English with you. Let's dive right in. What aspect of English would you like to practice? Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or something else?
Oh, let's play role play game so that we both can participate and can improve our fluency.
That sounds like a fun idea, Ariba. I'm up for a roleplay game. What scenario would you like to explore? We can pretend to be characters in a specific situation and have a conversation. Let me know what you have in mind.
Okay, situation could be a student and you are a shopkeeper trying to sell me anything.
Sure, Oriba. I'll be the shopkeeper and you can be the student. Let's set the scene. You walk into my store and I'm ready to help you find something you need. Ready. Go ahead and start the conversation.
So that's it. यहाँ बहुत से कैरेक्टर्स हैं, आप किसी के साथ भी बात कर सकते हैं. और हाँ, ये ऐप आपको अभी प्ले स्टोर पर नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में अभी ये अलाउ नहीं है, मगर आप इसे VPN लगाकर यूज़ कर सकते हो. डाउनलोड कर लीजिए एक बार, फिर तो ये आपकी हो गई. सो दिस इज़ रियली बेनिफिशियल. इससे मेरी इंग्लिश तो बहुत इम्प्रूव हुई, स्पेशली मेरी फ्लुएंसी इससे बहुत अच्छी हुई. सो